Okay, so I've got everything plugged in. I've got this connector in, but not that one, because this connector supposedly, I'm told, when it's plugged in, will trip the 15 amp engine 2. So we're going to test this. I've disconnected that, which goes to the EC, whatever you call it. Alright, so I'm here, and why is that door open? I tripped everything. Closed, closed, closed. Makes no sense. I've locked everything. Somehow it's telling, it knows that there's a disconnect. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So let's just trigger that. I got... Alright. So I'm going to hit this. Got that. The immobilizer is still long, or the immobilizer is still blinking. Alright. Foot on the brake. It's green. Right? Here I am. Alright. Green. I'm getting all the lights. Letting me with my foot. I'm getting the brake right here. This bad boy right here is tripping. Nothing's happening. Alright.